Okay guys, now this part 6, exercise 6.7, integration by parts. So first of all, let's change the form of the question. 2x, if we move this cosec square into the numerator, we will get cosec square 2x dx. Now let's suppose we are considering that t equals tan of 2x, and taking the derivative of this gives us 2 sec square 2x, and dt equals 2 sec square 2x dx, right? So we can also find from this function, from the t which we have considered earlier, tan 2x, we can find the value of this x. How it can be possible? First write the function in this form and move this tan inverse on the other side. 2x equals tan inverse of t, and take this 2 also on the other side, that is 1 upon 2 tan inverse of t, right? So now by substituting the values, just take from this function, we are going to change this form. What we do, that integral of 2x dx divided by cos square 2x can be written as integral of x. We taken x as a common outside, so this can be written as 2 sec square 2x upon 2. Sorry, here I have written cosec sec square 2x dx, right? I have multiplied this x. So now putting the values of x and 2 sec square 2x dx from 1 and 2 into the given question, we obtain integral of 1 upon 2 tan inverse of t, which is the value of x, and this whole is equal to dt, which represents from this equation number 1. So by now solving this part, how can we solve it? Just take this 1 upon 2 outside the integral sign, and we have tan inverse of d of t, right? So now we can consider, let u equals tan inverse of t, and du equals du upon dt, that is 1 upon 1 plus t square, which is the derivative of tan inverse of t, and du equals 1 upon 1 plus t square dt, right? So we are going to substitute these values now, and we have v equals 1, and that is the integral of v or d of t equals, that is t. So now using the formula for integration by parts, integral of tan inverse of t d of t equals, that is, what is u? That is tan inverse of t into what is v? That is integral of v, that is t, minus integral of du upon dt, that is 1 upon 1 plus t square, right? And we have what is the value of integral of v? That is t d of t. So now t shift this t on this side, t tan inverse of t minus integral of t upon 1 plus t square dt. So if we multiply this part with 2, multiply and divide by 2, we have the function as well as its derivative in the numerator. So we can write this t tan inverse of t minus 1 upon 2 ln into 1 plus t square plus c, right? So we have this function in terms of t now. So we have to convert this function into in terms of x. So for that we have to substitute the value of t which is given here, that is wherever there is t, put the value of t, that is tan 2x tan inverse of tan 2x, right? Just write this in the bracket, minus 1 upon 2 ln into 1 plus tan 2x square bracket close plus c. So now by simplifying we have tan 2x into 2x, because we have cancelled these two, minus 1 upon 2 ln into we can write this as 1 plus tan square 2x plus c, and tan 2x into 2x, that is 2x. We are shifting this 2x on this other side, that is 2x, and minus 1 upon 2 ln into 1 plus tan square 2x will give us sec square 2x plus c. And now what actually this gives us, this is the integral of this tan inverse of t. So we are going to put this value in this part, so that by substituting 1 upon 2, let's suppose this is equation number A and this is B. So we can say here by substituting B in A, so what we are obtaining, that is 1 upon 2 into 2x tan 2x minus 1 upon 2 ln sec square 2x plus c, right? So by now multiplying this 1 upon 2 with each term, 2x upon 2 tan 2x minus 1 upon 4 ln sec square 2x plus c, 2 and 2 will cancel out, and we will have that the remaining part, which is now x tan 2x minus 1 upon 4 ln sec square 2x plus c. And now what we can do, that we can move this square outside. This is just simplification, minus 1 upon 4 ln sec 2x square plus c. So according to the natural log we can shift this 2 here, x tan 2x minus 2 upon 4 ln sec 2x plus c, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so x tan 2x minus 1 upon 2 ln sec 2x plus c. And finally we can say that this is our final answer. Okay, to solve this question, let's first consider the identity which represents that 1 plus tan square 3x, that is equal to sec square 3x. Now from this identity we can take tan square 3x equals sec square 3x minus 1, right? So now by substituting this value in place of this, what we have, that is 9x into sec square 3x minus 1 d of x, right? Multiplying this inside with each term, that is gives us 9x sec square 3x minus 9x into d of x, right? So now what happens, we're going to apply this integral on each part, that is 9x sec square 3x minus integral of 9x d of x, right? So for this part we can easily find the integral, but what about this part? For this part we are going to take some substitutions. Before that, first clear the second term, which is dx here we have minus, that is 9x square upon 2, right? So name this equation as equation number 1, and from this we are going to find the integral of this part. What we are going to do, that integral of 9 in place of 9 we are going to break this 9 with 3x into 3 sec square 3x into d of x, right? So let's take tan t is equal to tan 3x, and taking the derivative of this t, which is 3 sec square 3x, and dt equals 3 sec square 3x d of x, right? So also we have, from this part we can find the value of x also, which is taking 3x tan 3x equals t, and 3x is equal to tan inverse of t, right? So by putting the value, that is, so now by substituting values from 3 and this 2 into a, we have, in place of 3x we are going to put tan inverse of t from this equation, and for this whole part we have, this is dt. So we have this in a simplified form. Now what we are going to do, that let u equals tan inverse of t, and du upon dt, that equals 1 upon 1 plus t square. That's already given. So v is equal to 1, and integral of dv of dt is equal to t. So by putting these two values into the formula of equation by parts, integration by parts, so how can we substitute the values? That is, in place of u into integral of v of d of x minus integral of du upon dt integral of v into dt into dt, right? So by putting the values in this formula, what we are going to do, what's the value of u? That is tan inverse of t into integral of v, that is t, minus integral of, what is du upon dt, that is 1 upon 1 plus t square, and what is integral of v, that is t d of t. So these are the values we have substituted as t tan inverse of t minus integral of t upon 1 plus t square that is dt, right? So now we can make it a perfect function by multiplying this 2 and dividing by 2. This will give us t tan inverse of t minus 1 upon 2 ln 1 plus t square plus c. So in place of t, now we have that t is equal to tan 3x. Substituting the value of this in all t's, that is tan 3x into tan inverse tan 3x minus 1 upon 2 ln into 1 plus tan tan square of 3x plus c. So this tan inverse and this will cancel out, and we are left with 3x tan of 3x minus 1 upon 2 ln 1 plus tan square 3x, that is ln 2 sec square 3x plus c. So finally we can remove this square up as a whole, minus 1 upon 2 ln sec 3x plus c. Now by using natural log method, we can shift this 2 just next to the natural log, minus 1 upon 2 into 2 ln sec 3x plus c. So 2 and 2 will cancel out, and left with 3x tan 3x minus ln sec 3x plus c. So now by putting this whole value in this function, which represents that, putting this b in 1, put b in 1, which is here, this is 1 and this is b. So we can write 3x tan 3x minus ln sec 3x plus minus, it is minus 9x square upon 2 plus c. This is our final answer.